Honorable Umi Harun, Honorable Mogaka Stephen, Honorable Zambia, Honorable Mawade, Honorable Stephen Mule, Honorable Caroline Geleche, Honorable George Kariuki, Honorable Jale Rokelo, Honorable Steve Mogaka, Honorable Cynthia Muge, Honorable Dalian Karido, Honorable Alpha Ondieki Miruka, Honorable Ikawa Fred, Honorable Clemens Lawyer, Honorable Karoli Omondi, Honorable Mpuri Aburi. I think I mentioned Shakil Shabir. Who have I left out? I can't see you, so Irene, please help me. Maybe as Honorable Joshua Oron. I can't see. Honorable Sudi, Oscar Sudi. Honorable Mwalimu Orero. Umi Harun. Honorable Catherine Omanyo. Honorable Fatuma Jeho. Honorable Amina Mnyazi. Honorable Kombe. Honorable Machele. Anybody remaining? I think I am done with the National Assembly and Your Excellency the day. Oh, Honorable Boko Milema, you are hidden there. That's why I can't see you. Thank you. And Deputy President, I just want to say that I talked to Baba on Monday evening when he was with Odhiambo, and I want to confirm that what he said the same thing to me, that we need to be united as a party. And he told me in Kijaluo, Odwa, and Od Achia. And then Baba also told me, jokingly, because when I asked him, Baba, how are you? He told me, Amilo, I am fine. In fact, in the morning, I walked all around. I am even surprised there are people who have killed me in Kenya and have already buried me. I want to tell you, as Jokanyanam, that for those who killed Baba and buried Baba before his time, because we are Christians, we forgive you. But we will never forget. But we also want to tell you, that for those who stood with Baba, we shall never forget. And I want to tell you, and I want to thank you, Your Excellency, President William Samoei Ruto, that you do not understand. I know some of us look strong. I was in State House the morning you broke the news, and amongst the Luo, in the political class that day, I was the only ODM person. Jothurwa ana winjoga kajiwacho ne piny no chama. I didn't understand what piny no chama meant until the president broke the news as we sat around a table. And he said, I have bad news. I think it was 7 in the morning. And he said, even before he said I knew, I don't know how I knew. And Mr. President, Your Excellency, the longest journey I have walked, if you don't know, was from your office to where I left my car. I almost collapsed twice. I am strong, but the death of Baba is the hardest thing that those of us from Luo Nyanza and in Kenya, those who believe in his ways, have had to deal with. And when you sent us you removed the women, and I thank you for your sensitivity. And you told us to go and stand with Mama Ida. I thank you for that sensitivity, for remembering Mama. As a woman, I know what it is. We shall never forget. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, and God bless you. Let me take this opportunity to invite Ledama Olekina to welcome the Senate. And as he is coming, Jokanyanam, Donguyena Mundagone Baboriti, Donguyena Mundagone Baboriti, Donguyena Mundagone Baboriti, Agone Baboriti, Agwambo, Baba, Wod Mary, Piny Dung Burukionge Baba.
Your Excellency, Mr. President,